Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I partnered with Beverlee Beauty Hair. They sent me their 14-inch Bohemian box braid crochets, and it came in 8 packs, 16 strands with each pack, and it was a total of 128 strands, which was enough for a full head. So I decided to install them on my 12-year-old daughter. They were so easy to install. They're effortless and lightweight, and with her being in cheerleading and in school and everything, this is a style where she can kind of just get up and go. So that's why I decided to do this on her, and she really loved it. So just keep watching for the finished look.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, baby. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, baby, give it love, love. Go down low, baby. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, baby, give it love, love, love. And I want you to meet my parents, yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, baby. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, baby, give it love, love. Go down low, baby. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, baby, give it love, love. Go down low, baby. Go down low, honey. Yeah. Go down low, baby. Go down, baby, give it love, love. Go down low, baby. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, baby, give it Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending.